I would show you my successful designs, but today's a little different. I was cleaning up my video, getting rid of the failed ones, of which there are so many. I'd say more design attempts are failed than successful. But as I was getting ready to delete this video, I decided, why not show you that sometimes designs don't always work out. So I'm going to let you watch me work on this micro adjust for the router fence, which has not been successful to date. Show you two attempts in this video, but they're actually, I'm working on my fourth, or I should say my fourth was underway when I finally just set it aside. Just don't have the materials, the fine thread that I'm looking for to make it a micro adjust. I haven't figured out how to really make it work smoothly, so it'll probably be a future thing, I hope. It might be radically different than anything I've been working on because, again, I know at least 4 ways that don't work. So I'll let you drop in and see a video that was going to the cutting room floor that got saved, just to give you the idea that sometimes you just got to work at things and keep working at them. That designs, they don't just come to you and magically they're perfect. A lot of times they take prototyping and digital prototyping and then physical prototyping, and what you think is going to be absolutely perfect doesn't work at all. All right, let's get started and take a look.
I should have designed this a long time ago. It's also lightweight. The table and every piece of the fence are all made with this 18 millimeter white birch. And it's so fast to set up, I just clamped the router top right onto my bench with 2 clamps, set up my fence, and I'm ready to go. And the adjustability of the fence, by just loosening these 2 knobs, I have these grooves that I can move the fence quite a distance easily and then lock it down. There is one shortcoming though, and that is the micro adjust. I can get it really close. In fact, I can get it perfect with this, but I have to work at it and test it out. You know how it goes, you get the bit height set on the router bit, you get the spacing on the fence, you get the sub fence all set up so that you've got it tight so you get a clean cut. And then you take a piece of scrap before you take your nice hardwood or your nice expensive wood, and you make a test cut and check it, and you need to move it just a little bit. So then I loosen these knobs and I move it a little bit and then test it again. What I'd like to be able to do is know that if I just need to move it that 1/128th or 1/164th, half a millimeter, that I could just dial it in. The same way that I do with my woodpecker fence. So yesterday in the shop I got to thinking about it and I played around with a couple of sample pieces, just some ideas, and then I went back to SketchUp and I spent a couple of hours playing with many different ways of doing it, and I think I've come up with a way that'll work, and that's what we're going to do today. This is the Smart Wood Shop. If you'd like to get a set of plans to build a smart wood shop for yourself or one of my workbenches, link in the description of this video down below. You can go to our store, purchase plans, download them instantaneously, 24/7, 365. And also in our store, you'll find some affiliate links. If you use those links and purchase anything, they'll share a little bit with us. They won't charge you any extra, and it helps support the channel. If you like these videos, if you learned anything, if you'd like to see me make more, be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And remember, when you subscribe, to ring that little bell so you know when I drop a new video. Thanks for dropping into the Smart Wood Shop. You stay safe and have a great day.